So Fern diving flashlight recommendation, SD06 naman tayo. Let's go. Unbox natin real quick. So you have a very simple box. You get the manual, get the lanyard, meron kang USB-C to USB-A cord, single bay charger, na USB Type-C na rin, and you get the unit itself. So this is the SD06. So you get this 21700 5000 milliamp hour na battery. So yung tube niya reminds me of the SD09 and the SD08. Very similar. So yan, makikita nyo yung kanyang contact. 6061 aluminum alloy yung kanyang material. Tapos makikita nyo meron siyang cutouts dito for the heatsink. So this is very, very compact. Napakadali lang din gamitin. So to turn the flashlight on, you can press it once and then press it again to cycle through low, medium, and high. To turn it off, long press. Isa pa sa mga nagustuhan ko talaga dito ay meron siyang lock mode. So napakahalaga ng lock mode, especially for transport. Kung ilalagay mo siya sa loob ng bag or sa loob ng bulsa mo, this ensures na no accidental activation kasi napakalakas nito, 3000 lumens. It can easily burn light materials like cloth, plastic, or nylon. You can see that smooth reflector hardened glass lens. Tapos yung kanyang LED is SFT 70. Kaya naman napaka-efficient and very powerful. It can output up to 3,200 lumens. So at high 3,200 lumens, then stepping down to 1,800 to 1,100 lumens, it can reach almost 500 meters or half a kilometer. Tapos yung runtime naman ito umaabot ng mahigit 2 oras sa high mode niya. Sa medium naman, these are the power figures. So 55 minutes sa 1,100 lumens, then steps down 750 lumens, and it can hold it up to 90 minutes and another 95 minutes sustaining 450 lumens. Then sa kanyang low setting naman, yung runtime niya ay umaabot ng hanggang 12 hours ng tuloy-tuloy. It's IP68, waterproof up to 100 meters underwater. Yan, this is the low mode, this is medium, and this is high. So ganito kalaki yung beam niya compared sa atin. Yan, tapos makikita mo yung beam nito. Yan, umaabot siya hanggang dun. But this is rated at almost half a kilometer. 400 meters plus, almost 500 meters. So approximately half a kilometer na rin.